श्री नरेंद्र मोदी।
भारत माता की
मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी।
The occasion was historic as Modi walked into the central hall of the parliament.
They said a chaiwala would never govern the world's largest democracy, but he proved them wrong.
Let me also thank my partner and friend, Prime Minister Modi. So he's tough, and he also has style.
Imbued his fellow citizens with the sure hope that tomorrow can be better than today.
He's spoken to me. He's the first person that's made sense. Otherwise, India is always about somebody else.
He is an avatar of progress and development.
I think it is fitting that in the home of our democracy, we should be addressed by the leader of the world's largest democracy.
Ache din zarur aayega.
First person that's made sense. Otherwise, India is always about somebody else.
और मोदी जी ने हमसे 50 दिन मांगे, हम तो लाइफ टाइम देने को तैयार हो.
We have the most determined leadership.
From the moment of his victory, he has been amazingly gracious and accommodating.
क्या हम सपना नहीं देख सकते? पावर ऑन डिमांड।
सशक्त और फौलादी इरादों के साथ साथ जिसके अंदर संवेदनशीलता है, ऐसा नेतृत्व यदि किसी के पास है तो वह केवल भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पास है, और उस नेतृत्व का नाम है श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी।
शायद कि हम यहाँ से जब जाएं तो मन में यह दृश्य देख करके जाएं कि जून के महीने में देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी को
2014 का चुनाव एक आशा और अरमान का चुनाव।